Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and airdrops. I talked about this price pump probably a week ago. So if you follow me and watch my video, you should not miss out this price pump. So I talked about this price pump on October 7, October 8, and also October 10 and 11. So those are the videos that I talked about previously about the potential price pump that is upcoming. So if you watch all these videos, you should not miss out this price pump yesterday. So just in case you are new to the channel, just to remind everybody that EOSBET is having an interactive airdrop. In order to get the airdrop, you have to roll the dice, play the game, and the airdrop will be automatically to your EOS wallet. And also, as a EOSBET token holder, you are going to get some dividends next month. But don't bet on something you cannot afford to lose. This is like going to Vegas. If you're interested, you can click the link below that will help out my channel. Also, CADEOS is having an airdrop. The airdrop day will be December 20th. Snapshot will be December 1st. So if you have EOS on the exchange, make sure you transfer the EOS out of the exchange to your EOS account in order to qualify. So this is a decentralized project management platform on EOS platform. Also, you should not miss out on My Wish or EOS airdrop. So this is the first EOS smart contract on the EOS platform. So I talk about this project in detail in this video. You can check back this video if you want to know the details of this project. And snapshot already done, and airdrop is already done. So you can check out if you receive your airdrop in your EOS wallet. Also, BetDice is also having a giveaway. So basically, you just use a scatter wallet. So make sure you scatter wallet and sign on and log in. Just to log in, you can get 1,000 BetDice token. So this is a free token. They already give you some chips to play the games. So you can bet on Dice or you can bet on EOS. Also, there's a lucky draw. So they have lucky draw every 1 hour. My lucky draw is already finished because I already just drawn it probably an hour ago. So you can try this out. And at the beginning, they have lucky draw like every 1 hour. So you can click the lucky draw and get some EOS payout as well. And I just get some payout earlier. It's a very tiny amount, but better than nothing, right? Also, Trybe. Trybe, basically, this is like a Steam on the EOS platform. So Trybe is having an airdrop on December 11. The more Trybe token you have in your EOS account, the more Trybe airdrop you're going to get. So December 11 will be the airdrop date as well. So make sure you have your Trybe token in your EOS account to qualify as well. So let's, before we get into the price pump of Bitcoin, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop tokens for hard fork or ICO. And also you can follow me on Twitter as well. So let's get into it. So let's talk about, so the price pump yesterday, I already anticipate this pump a week ago. So because CBOE future contract is going to expire Wednesday. So anytime the CBOE the future contract is expired and there's a lot of build up of the short position, in order to kill off all this short position, let's go to here. So BTC USD short position on October 15 has been consistently like building up all the way on the 15th. So the short position has been building up. In order to liquidating all this short position, you have to pump the price and make all this short position become worthless. And to kill off all the short position, they pump the price, liquidating all the short position, then they no longer need to pump the price. So you can see the BTC USD short position has been dropped back down because yesterday we do have a price pump, isn't it? From 6,000 Sunday's 200 level to all the way almost to 7,000. And you can see here as well, the short position has been liquidated. So the short position has been killed off. this is also Ethereum as well. Last week we talked about the stock market crash last Wednesday. The Dow Jones, they dropped more than 800 points, and it is one of the single biggest drop in history. And October 10, which is last Wednesday, right? So all of a sudden, after the Dow dropped more than 800 points, the Ethereum USD short has been building up ever since Wednesday. Look at this. On October 10, the stock market crash, and then the Ethereum USD short position has been gone crazy, building up since then. From 10, 11, 12, 13 has been building up, and all the way up to the 15. And of course, we have a price pump yesterday, right? And once all this, because of the short position so high, in order to liquidate all the short position, you have to pump the price, kill off all the short position, liquidating all the short position. Then all the short position go back down. So this is exactly what happened yesterday. So pump the price and all go back down. So I talked about this in my previous video at least a week ago about the CBOE future contract is going to expire on the 17th. There may be a potential price pump, and this is exactly what happened. So I already talked about this a week ago. So I mean, this is not I just talk about this today. After what happened, I already talked about it a week ago, and also I talk about in this video, and also 5 days ago, and also 4 days ago. 4 days ago, I also talked about, of course, I talked about the stock market crash, and as well as the Bitcoin whale wallet. So let's look at the Bitcoin whale wallet quickly. So Bitcoin whale wallet, on that day, 4 days ago, I talked about the Bitcoin whale wallet. In just 24 hours, we have a huge movement of the Bitcoin from the wallet. So that was probably on the 11th or something like that in the 24 hours. So also you can see on the 15th, you can see on the 15th, someone possibly Bitfinance moved over 8,000 BTC or Bitcoin. And also here, Bitfinance, possibly Bitfinance will alert someone, possibly Bitfinance move over 4,900 Bitcoin. This is possibly Bitfinance. So they move all this Bitcoin just to pump the price. When you pump the price, and then you dump the price again. So also, so they talk about Tether Crash, and then the Bitcoin price, and then the money pour into the Bitcoin. I mean, to me, this is just try to explaining the events. I mean, without looking at the whole big picture. And people are just easy to say that after what happened, after things happen, then they will say they try to put a reason for that. I think the true reason to me is the BTC USD short position has been building up, and also the Ethereum USD short position has been building up after the stock market crash last Wednesday. You can see October 10, the stock market crash, all of a sudden this short position building up. So I think this is the reason, the true reason, not because of Tether crash and money flow to the Bitcoin. And don't forget, I talked about the whale wallet. There's a whole bunch of activity on October 11. In the just 24 hours, there's like tons of Bitcoin movements. See, October 11, they have like 6,000, 8,000, like 6,000, 5,000, 5,000, 5,900 Bitcoin moved out from the whale wallet. So this has been planned event, okay? It's not just happened. It's not that simple. You guys got to think critically. Things are not just happen. Things have been well planned and orchestrated. I mean, I don't want to be a conspiracy theory, but and also Tether. So Tether has been Tether is like a stable coin and all that, but the thing is they lack of transparency. I talked about very early on in my previous video, I would not touch Tether in a 10-foot pole. So I'm not sure if they are really backed by US dollar, or they just like printing out all this Tether for just to pump the price. There's a lot of pump and dump scheme in Tether. And currently they have 2.2 million USDT, the Tether circulating. Do they really have 2.2 million US dollar to back it up? We don't know. Because in terms of auditing and all that, they have they're not very transparency. And also they're very secretive with their bank account and funds in general. I would not use Tether, seriously. And also, besides Tether, right now we have Gemini stablecoin. Gemini from the Winklevoss stream, they just launched the Gemini dollar, GUSD. Also, Binance also support their backing for 32 million Terra project. Also, IBM also back a stablecoin, Stellar Lumen. Also, Circle have their own stablecoin, USD coin, USDC. So Circle is basically owned by Goldman Sachs. So Goldman Sachs basically own this company. And Circle also acquire Poloniex, the crypto exchange as well. And here there's some type of conspiracy saying that is it possible that Goldman Sachs see imminent crypto regulation and a flood of retail and institutional money appearing in the space, and is it coincidence the Tether peg is starting to crack only weeks after the arrival of the Circle's own USD stable coin? So we don't know. This is kind of interesting. This is like a conspiracy thing. So another thing I want to point out is that so Bitcoin is going to have, so currently as of block 546000, 82.5% of all the Bitcoin has been mined. Only 3.6 million left to mine. So the next halvening will be May 21st, 2020. So what does it mean? I think, so basically the reward to the Bitcoin miners for the next halvening will drop from 12.5 Bitcoin to 6.25 Bitcoin per block in May 2020. So that means the mining difficulty will be getting more difficult for mining for Bitcoin. And also a year after the halvening, the Bitcoin price goes skyrocketing as well. And so let me know what you think. Please comment below. What do you think about the Bitcoin price halvening? And what's your prediction of Bitcoin price in 2020? And also, what do you think about the price pump that I talked about in my previous video? This is, I talk about in 4 videos. You should not miss out. You shouldn't, seriously, you shouldn't miss out all this price pump yesterday. And the CBOE future contract is going to expire tomorrow, Wednesday. And usually a day or two, they're going to pump the price. And right now, they like to do it a little bit earlier. Used to be just a day or two or the day before they do pump. Right now, sometimes they do it 2 days early or something like that. So this you should be anticipate, and you shouldn't miss out this ride anyway. Another thing I want to point out is also you can go to this one, BitMEX. So BitMEX, this is a liquidation bots. So basically, they're doing, what are they liquidating right now? Here's saying liquidating short on Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, liquidating short, and then liquidating long on Ripple, sell Ripple, liquidating long on Ripple, liquidating long Ethereum, they sell Ethereum, liquidating long on Bitcoin, they sell Bitcoin, liquidating long Ripple, liquidating long on Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin. Ooh, this is a lot of Bitcoin. 78,000, 10 hours ago. That means they're dumping. Seriously. So liquidating long on Bitcoin, they sell Bitcoin 21,000 Bitcoin, and currently what do they do? Oh, this is not that many Bitcoin, so that means they're dumping 10 hours ago. So this is a liquidation bot for BitMEX, so you can check it out as well. Also, one more thing I want to point out. You can go to CoinMarketCap. You can see most of the volume of Bitcoin is in a BitMEX. That means they're doing derivatives, short and long position. They're not really buying the real Bitcoin. They're just buying the contract, short contract, or Bitcoin short contract, or Bitcoin long contract. So the next one is Binance, and then there's a Bitfinance. Bitfinance, you also have Tether, doing the pump and dump, all that fiasco. So one more thing, loopring is having a giveaway. So they're going to 10 lucky user will be drawn to split the 1000 MOT token. So basically, you follow the loopring and Olympus Lab SBC, Olympus Labs BC, and IM token official. Then you retweet this tweet and then comment with your public Ethereum address. Make sure it's a public Ethereum address before October 17, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Then you can potentially win one of those tokens. So you can check it out as well. So let me know what you think about this Bitcoin price pump and dump. And also the CBOE future contract is going to expire tomorrow. So what's the direction of Bitcoin? And also please comment below. I would like to hear from you, as well as do you think Tether is trustworthy, a stable coin, or you're going to use something else? And also what do you think about the halving of the Bitcoin in 2020? Do you think there will be a price pump after that? So please comment below. I would like to hear from you. That would be interesting to see different opinions and all that. And I hope you did a swing trade and make some bucks out of it. I mean, nowadays we are in a bear market. It's sometimes difficult to make a few bucks out of this crypto. But if you watch the indicator and all that, and if you look at the trend and everything, you should be able to have spot this price pump. You should not miss out. So let me know what you think. I would like to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you comment below. That will help my ranking in YouTube. Also, make sure you subscribe. You don't miss out the upcoming token swap giveaway, airdrop, half or ICO. I know some people they miss out the mid.1 token swap, but I talk about the token mid.1 and kiosk token swap at least a few times in my video. 5 days ago, I showed you how to do before the deadline. I showed you how to do the token swap. A month ago, I talked about mid.1 token swap as well. You should not miss out those token swap. Those are free money. So also you can follow me on Twitter as well. Remember, crypto deep divers. We the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency or ICO has inherent risk. Please use a due diligence.